Hey, this is Maggie Barrentine with Alliance Property Management. We actually found BetterWho through Facebook. I was seeing Matthew Tringali and Jay Barabee communicate on a lot of different topics that came up, and their take was always in line with how I operated and how our managing broker, Melissa Griffith, operated. So when it came time to hire remote team members, we started researching several different companies, and after utilizing a different company, realized that the way that BetterWho operates is actually more in line with what meets our needs. Think of them as a headhunter. So a couple of things that BetterWho has helped us with, while they have helped us place remote team members that have taken maintenance coordination to a whole nother level, resident success coordinators who are making sure our tenants are moving in and having great move-in experiences and following up with them. Those are all wonderful things, but I think the biggest thing that has helped for us is they've also helped on the back end in terms of operationally, things that you can do so you're not having those drive-by conversations that are pulling your attention in 17 different directions and limiting your efficiencies. So that, I think, has been the biggest thing that they've done to help us. So something that would surprise me about BetterWho that I was not expecting was actually that I enjoy the meetings. They came in with the laundry list of, there's a meeting for this and a weekly meeting here and a quarterly meeting here and a monthly meeting here, and it's this type and this type. And I have to admit, I was crazy overwhelmed, and it made me very stressed and just to the point where I was like, this is going to take 10 hours out of my week. How the heck am I going to do this? I'm going to lose so much time. What I actually found out was that they knew what they were talking about. I should have trusted the process, but I have way less pulling me in different directions. The meetings work, they keep us on track, and the team's getting stuff done that they're supposed to get done on time. Missy and I have worked together. Missy's our managing broker. We have done all of our maps, so creating the most important projects that are going to elevate and move our company forward. So I've been part of that. I have been in some of the trainings of what we're going to relay to our team and roll out with our own company, as well as just the coaching that I've received of ways to maybe word things in a different way because that personality is just not understanding it just right. So you're going to get coaching with them as well as the tools that you need to do it. Sometimes you don't know what tools you need and you just start talking and they go, oh, did you know you can use this? And you're like, oh my gosh, thank you. Stress reducer. I know when I need another resident success coordinator, maintenance coordinator, whoever I'm hiring for, I know it's as quick as a quick email to BetterWho, and I'm going to get a response very quickly. I'm not going to have to chase them. They are going to stay in contact with me throughout the process to ensure that I know where they're at. I know if I'm getting close to finding someone or not. I'm not just sitting there twiddling my thumbs and trying to figure out if I'm on the right path. What would I tell somebody who is considering hiring BetterWho, but they haven't made the leap yet? Do it.